Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing and trying chocolate fondue. So, this is the package, and let's see. Oh. These are pretty hard to open. Or something? Hold up.
For safety purposes, we are wearing gloves. I think you need a mask too.
Can you fly in a mask to set, please? Mask to set, please.
So it just magically got here. This is probably going to be the longest video we ever made.
Wow, she got it out.
Oh my god.
Slow spinner. Ooh,
Oh,
nostalgia.
there are strawberries on it. Yeah.
Cool. I like it. Oh, I thought you were 10.
I thought it was 10.
Ooh, it looks like there's chocolate already in there.
I know it does. Oh my god.
But it's not. Ooh, that thing looks nice.
Okay, so actually it doesn't come with instructions. That's fine. Oh, I think it's on like the bottom. Yeah, it says it right here. Oh, it says 8 ounces of chocolate and oil is all you need. Okay.
Breaking up the chocolate.
Oops. Okay, so we're going to try to fill this up to 8 ounces. See right here where 8 ounces is all the way up to this line right here. So
Putting in the chocolate chips. Guys, can you see how yummy that looks? Pouring in the chocolate chips and Hershey's.
we need 1/4 of oil. So there we go. There's 1/4 is right here.
Stirring it up. I always get in the way. Guys, you should look at it. The chocolate looks juicy.
All right.
Juicy. You were recording when I said that. Ooh.
Don't forget to turn on the heat.
Oh, that looks so juicy. I said juicy again. And yes, you might be like, why does she keep on saying juicy?
Wait, what's the point of the fountain if you have to pour it in like that?
Well,
Or you have to turn it on after you pour the chocolate? Why is it chunky?
I don't know.
I told you, you
didn't warm it up
take
enough.
too long, yeah.
No. Well, okay, go ahead and turn it on, Leah. Just the heat. Just the heat. It's just easier to put it in at the top because then I tried it on the corner, but like
What do you mean by you tried it on the corner?
because it's gonna overflow. Like if it fills up on one corner too much,
Oh.
so I just do it on top.
Oh, yeah. It looks like it's already flowing to the side on that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. So. I see it work.
oh my god! Oh my god!
It's gonna overflow. Eat so quick.
But how does it get back up? Is it like...
Is it good?
Can I have a marshmallow?
Ooh. There you go.
Mmm.
Strawberry dip time.
Where's the toothpick?
Mmm. Oh, toothpicks. Oh, right here. Gotta officially use the toothpick.
Oh my god!
Yay! Chocolate fountain.
Oh, that looks so juicy.
No double dipping. Got it.
Are we allowed to finger dip?
Oh, really? No, you're not supposed to put your fingers in it, Marley.
That's hot.
Yeah. It's working. A really simple one.
How does it cycle back up?
There's a hole in the bottom, like it goes in and then it has a spiral that shoots it up.
I almost choked on it. Marshmallow?
This is our dinner.
Yep.
Okay, party foul. It dripped over.
Oh my god, this is the best thing ever. Best thing I had all day. Oh. So good. You guys should definitely try fondue. And we got this off Amazon. It's
Oops.
how am I gonna do this? Whoever made this, the chocolate fondue maker, it's bomb. It's perfect.
Cool.
And like and subscribe on the Marley and Leah show. Bye.